Real estate term of the day, arbitration. This is one of the settlement procedures that a broker can choose in order to come up with a conclusion between a buyer and seller that each one of them are going after the escrow deposit. Now, arbitration is binding. So it's like a mini court. The arbiter is going to listen to the buyer, the arbiter is going to listen to the seller, and he's going to come up with a conclusion. Beforehand, buyer and seller had already agreed that what the arbiter says goes. Now, here's a fun fact. Who picks the arbiter? Well, a smart broker will come up with about 3 or 4 names and give the names to the buyer and give the names to the seller and say, you guys interview him. And he's praying and hoping that you pick the same person. Now, again, who pays the arbiter? He gets paid from the escrow deposit. So the sooner you solve the problem, the better everybody's going to be off. Hey, for more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one tutoring session, please feel free to go to the tutoring appointment, schedule time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you in the Florida real estate course or the broker's course. Many blessings to you and good luck.